Alright, let's take a look at the Aristocats, Mastercraft, Marie, MC-027R1. Another beautiful rendition of a Disney character here, the beloved Marie. The Aristocats was the first movie that featured all felines. Some people will argue that this is the most famous feline Disney character of them all. Pink and white, with big blue eyes. That's your Marie. Everybody loved her. She was fun and furry. She was the star of the show. Hand painted. 2 pieces. Dimension approximately 24 centimeters long by 24 centimeters wide by 33 centimeters high. Another great Beast Kingdom Mastercraft here, ladies and gentlemen. If you love the Aristocats, this is one to get for sure. She sits on her pretty pink pillow, laced with gold rope. The Aristocats Mastercraft MC-027R1. Check it out.